Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on the Hummer H2 rear window, 2003 to 2009. This clip is double speeded up to make it a little bit faster to watch. It's not a very difficult car to do. You got a screw there, take off that faceplate. And then behind that you've got two, I'm going to guess 9/32 screws, bolt screws. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Oh, also above it, where the gray is, you see the indicator knob. I'd been here a couple days earlier. I locked the window up and disconnected it for them until I could get the part and come back with it. Also, the plastic on these doors is horrible. It's very brittle, especially after 10 or 15 years. So be careful taking it off. These panels crack quite easily. Keep that in mind. You've been warned. I'm playing around there. I really don't remember. I'm pretty sure it's 9/32. But you'll let me know. And take off that side brace right there. Just pops off. Just like I said. Oh, I'm going to pop the switch off. I guess I'm going to take it off from the other side. I already unplugged the switch. You've got one wiring harness that goes to the light. Not a big deal. She has an extra speaker, whatever system in there, so that became a problem. So I let the door hang while I was working on it. I didn't want to start disconnecting wiring cables and having to solder them all back together. So I don't know if I took off enough of this. You'll get the idea. There's one 10mm or two 10mm bolts right there that hold the glass on. And take out your 3M Astro pneumatic suction cup. Good quality stuff. And you have 3 bolts that hold the motor on. And I want to say 2 or 3 bolts that hold the regulator on. And 2 of them are at the bottom. I guess you can't see that right now, but there's 2 10mm bolts at the bottom as well. Not a big deal. And we can take the old one out, get the motor with it, put the new one in. One thing that's a good idea is every 2 or 3 months on all your cars, on all your windows, lightly, very lightly, spray some WD-40 on the 2 up and down channels, the 2 side channels that the glass travels in, the run channel. They dry out and it causes the glass to grab. So a little dab will do you. Just give it a quick spritz every couple months. And now I'm tightening up the 10mm bolts. I'm going to plug it in and try it out. Turning the key on. I don't think I plugged in the motor yet, so. Oh yeah, I guess I did. There it is right there. Window lock was on, so let's take that off. And once you get it up, you can take off the suction cup, tighten the 2 10mm bolts that hold the glass to the regulator. Window goes up and down just swell. There's that WD-40 I was telling you about. Lightly, you don't have to soak it, give it a quick spray. And that's it. So I'm not going to talk you through the rest of it. You can probably figure the rest of it out yourself. But that's all you have to do. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching.